Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I'll be showing you guys this delicious bean stew recipe. So first, you're going to need 2 cups of dried black eyed peas. This is 3 blended tomatoes. This is tomato paste. And this is my saltfish here. And this is a fresh blend of ginger, garlic, and onion. And also, the green seasoning, palm oil, and some lovely sliced onions. So first in a pot, you're going to add your black eyed peas. And now we're going to add water to the black eyed peas. And make sure that the water covers the black eyed peas, okay? Because once they boil, sometimes they get bigger. And remember to stir the bottom to make sure that once it comes to a boil, they won't stick in the beginning. And then I'm just going to add my lid, of course, and then I'm going to let it boil for about an hour. And now after an hour, I'm just going to stir it around, and I'm just going to check to see if the black eyed peas are boiled. And yeah, they look really good. And so now, to be sure if your black eyed peas are fully cooked, you're just going to press the inside of the black eyed peas, and if they squish, then it means they're ready. So now I'm going to place these black eyed peas into a different bowl, and we're going to leave that broth, stock. And this is what the black eyed peas should look like. So now in the empty pot, we're going to add our palm oil. And don't be afraid, this is stew. And now you're going to add in your sliced onions. And now you're just going to cook your onions down for about 5 minutes or so. And you guys, I really love beans. So here we're just adding in our tomatoes, our blended tomatoes. Of course, it was 3 large tomatoes that I used. And we're just going to cook that in the onions. And now we're going to add that ginger, garlic, and onion blend. And now our famous green seasoning is going in. And some tomato paste. And now I'm just going to mix it. And that's what it should look like, So now I'm going to add the saltfish. And I'm going to mash it in the stew. But don't mash it too much because then it'll be messy. And I don't like my stew messy. But now we're going to add those cooked black eyed peas. And we're going to mix it in that stew well. Okay. And now we're going to get a masher and we're going to mash some of the beans so that it can change the texture of the stew. And this is optional. But yeah, we're just going to mix this. And after that, remember that stock that I had from boiling the beans? I'm adding that right back into the pot. And then I'm going to stir that as well. It's really looking good, man. So now, after about 10 minutes, I'm just stirring it again. And I'm going to mash it once more to be sure of how much of the texture I would like to change in the stew. And yes, I'm mashing the fish in it as well, but not all. Okay. And now you're just going to taste to be sure if it needs any salt, but it turns out pretty good. Leave that lid on and let it cook for about 20 to 30 minutes or so. And this is my final result. This is my lovely bean stew. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. And have a wonderful day. Goodbye.